If you're wondering that does the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra have stereo speakers or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the answer is yes. The Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup has a stereo speaker setup. Now to test these speakers, just open the phone app and from here just dial this *#0*#. And after you open the hardware test section, over here you will find the speaker option. Now as you can see, if I tap on it once, both the top and the bottom firing speakers will work at the same time. And if I tap on it again, only the bottom firing speaker would start working. And if I tap on it one more time, the top speaker will start working. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.